dear friends, how are you? I'm VIKAS Driving Instructor from VIKAS Driving School. Today I have Vanilla with me. She has a driving test just after 1 hour. So I'm going to take her mock test. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do 3-point turn, reverse parallel parking, pullover to help you to pass your driving test. And I'm going to tell her mistakes so you will not do in your driving test. So Vanilla, do you have any question before starting your driving lesson, like a mock test, anything?
I'm good for now.
You are good for now, no problem. So let's start with pre-driving safety check. So left indicator please, right indicator, indicator off, headlight on, high beam off, washroom wiper, show me front demister, back demister, hazard light, handbrake, brake, horn. Very good, well done. So when you feel safe, when you're ready, turn right please. Let's remember, before turning you must need to look both sides. Turn right from left line. You turn it but you are failed to look. Make sure before turning you must need to look right and must need to look left.
Yep.
Move to right line please when you feel safe. Shoulder check one more time. Turn right. Remember, I tell you one thing. Whenever you turn, whenever you give your into three things: mirrors, indicator, side check. Side check means shoulder check, but you're not doing shoulder check. Whenever you're changing a line, whenever you're turning left and right, you need to look your side for a safety. No one is crossing.
Okay, so for the lane change also we need to do the shoulder check for both sides.
Yes. Take it next right. There is a slip line to a turning right. Make sure keep your speed very slow and keep your indicator on. If your indicator get off, make sure you need to give it again until you finish your turning.
Yep. We need to notice the sound.
Yes, you need to notice the sound, because when you're going to turn you will not able to see the display turn right, because you're going to be busy in turnings, like a turning right now. So you're not going to see the display. So always just try to listen the sound.
Yep.
If the sound is not coming, means your indicator is off and you need to give it again.
Okay.
End of the straight, turn left. End of the straight, turn left. Check this mirror you're not checking at all. Side check you're not doing at all. So you two things you're missing. So next traffic light, turn right. This is called give way traffic light. Give way traffic light means whenever you need to give way to all the upcoming vehicles.
And we stay in the middle?
You're going to stay in the middle. Yes.
But we stay in the middle straight, right?
Yes,
Not
straight. Not, you don't need to turn, you don't need to bend, you need to stay straight.
Okay.
So make sure you can ask again about this give way traffic light. Once we will pass it, we cannot come back. Okay, so you haven't doubt anything, because if you have a test after 45 minutes, so we cannot repeat same thing again. So this is give way traffic light. How you will know this is give way traffic light? This is because there is a no arrow. If there is a no arrow, only main light is there, so that means it's a give way traffic light. Give way traffic light, like now it's a green light, so green light means you need to stop your car, you need to give way to all the vehicles, like going straight, like going left. No need to go, just wait, stop, complete stop. And once you feel safe, then start to move. And when you're waiting in the middle, if you will not find a move to left line, please, when you feel safe. And while waiting in the middle, if you don't find a safe gap, you can go when lights start to change to yellow.
Okay.
Take a next left. Very good, well done. Very good shoulder check and side check. Always whenever side check, I say shoulder check, head check. Many people they say head check, many people they say shoulder check, many people they say side check. So always whenever you're turning, check your mirror and a little bit side check. So with this trick, you never ever going to miss a shoulder check, and you don't need to worry about it because you are used to do it. Don't do it too much, just do 90-degree everywhere whenever you're turning left and right. And whenever you line changing, whatever you're doing, whenever you're moving one side to another side, move to right line please when you feel safe. Do a U-turn please when you feel safe. Slow, we do it a bit slow, make sure it's a roundabout. Many students they mount they go top of the curve in a roundabouts, and they fail their driving because of their speed is very high in the roundabout, and they're not able to control their car, so they fail their driving. Do a 3-point turn please when you feel safe. Whenever you're reversing, give your left indicator and look back and then go. So this one we doing using driveway 3-point turn. Using driveway 3-point turn, it's very easy, very simple. Only you need to give your right indicator, just go in a driveway, just reverse and go back again on the same road, like you're making a U-turn. So we're going to turn left please. Do a 3-point turn wherever you feel safe please.
It's not visible in the...
If it's not visible in the gearbox, you can check on the display also.
Oh, where? Okay.
Yeah, can you see the
now I can see.
R sign? That means your gear is in reverse.
Yeah.
Very good, well done. This is very good 3-point turn using driveway 3-point turn. You did very good head check and shoulder checks and check your surrounding. So we're going to do reverse parallel parking behind this car. Yeah, that's fine. Once reverse parallel parking, normally you need to keep it 1 meter distance, or if there is a half-meter distance, 2 meter distance, that is fine.
This is the driveway, so I think I should go back.
So we just practicing.
Okay.
In the driving test also, if they say to you, do it behind, just do it.
Okay. Even
Okay.
if there is driveway.
Even there is a drive, if there is a driveway, yes, because they said it to you and you just doing for a driving test reason, you're not going to stop your car, so you can do it. But normally they don't say close to the driveway.
Okay.
Normally they don't not going to say to you close to the driveway, but sometimes they say do a reverse parallel parking, there is a driveway, but don't worry about driveway. So now we're going to do pull lever. So this is a third most important point, pull lever. So in the driving test, you must need to know three things very well if you want to pass your driving test in a first go. The first is 3-point turn, the second is reverse parallel parking, and the third is pull lever.
Yeah.
So you know very well about these three things.
Yes.
No problem. So keep going straight, please, when you feel safe. So you must need to give way.
That one was going in that line, so.
But he can choose the right line also, so he can choose any line.
Okay.
Because from his side there is a one line in a roundabout, and after that becoming a two line.
Ah. Okay.
So he can choose. Maybe he went in a right line, but he can be come in left line also. Roundabout, turn right from left line. You are already in a left line, so you need to turn right from same line. This type of the instructions, many students they make a mistake. They try to mix the lines because of misunderstanding. About you cannot make a decision to just only looking one side.
Yeah.
You cannot get a safe gap just because of looking right. You need to see the whole roundabout. Maybe you will get a safe gap because of the straight people they going.
Yeah.
Maybe you can get a safe gap because of left hand side people, because when they will be entering the roundabout, so everybody will give way. So if the right hand side people, they're going to wait for them, and you will have an opportunity to go, because they are opposite side of the roundabout. Their position is around 1 o'clock, so you have enough time to go to cross the roundabout.
Yeah.
You can still go if there is a car in the roundabout also. Many students, they don't go, they think the car is in a roundabout, so I should not go. You can go if the car is other side of the roundabout. Their position is around 1 o'clock, because by the time they're going to come close to you, you will be already about to take an exit.
But would that be an issue in the driving test if I'm taking a lot of time in the roundabout?
Yeah, there, look, if there will be no one, there will be quiet, you will be lucky. But if there will be cars on the road, people, they will start to beep you, horn you, and you can fail your driving test, because you're distracting other road users.
Oh, okay.
Because you think you're looking for the safe gap, you're thinking I should go when I feel safe, but the other people, they're not going to wait for you. They will start to beep you, they will horn you. Make sure, keep in the mind, extra safety is also dangerous. Like if you're going to keep extra safety, because the other people, they're not going to keep it patience for a long time. Yeah. Take a next left. Very good, well done, very good shoulder checks. Turn left. Very good, well done. Whenever you're turning left and right, have a very good look and then go. Turn right. keep your speed a bit slow here, because there is a lots of pedestrian crossing. Anyone can come from any side. Once you feel safe, park your car anywhere.
And only on the right side?
Always use right hand side, because right hand side you're going to have a more space to spin your car. Keep your car very slow. When you doing, make sure keep your speed very slow. Once your test will be finished, if you will park a little bit here there, no problem. Okay, once you finish, park your car parking. The last test, you did everything very good, and you
Except
failed
for the parking.
just in a parking, because you were struggling. You was thinking, I'm going to touch. You took so long and so much pressure there, so much. No need to worry. Just try to park as close you can make your car straight and park in parking, and that's it.
I hope at the end of the test there would be nice
Just choose
space
where
like
there is a
this.
2-3. Sometime it could be full also.
Yeah, last time it was completely full. There
Fully.
was only one space between
Yeah.
two cars.
So I will recommend you just align your side mirror to white line. So this time you start to do little bit early.
Yeah.
Okay. So align your side mirror to white line and then turn full right. So do you have any doubt, anything?
No.
Make sure that the final tips to pass your driving test, check your mirror oftenly after 5 or 7 seconds. If there is nothing to do, never be free in the driving.
Always look into the
Never be
mirrors.
free in a driving. When you're driving straight, always look your middle mirror, left mirror, right mirror. And when you're looking your mirror, move your little bit up, so you need to check middle mirror. When you're turning left, check, move left hand side, right hand side.
Yeah.
After 5 or 7 seconds, and always make sure whenever you're turning left and right, don't rush. Try to see a clear view of the road and then move.
Yep.
Other thing I can help you with that before going to driving test?
Nothing. That's all for now.
Make sure keep a very good smile on the face. A smile will go a mile. So this is the main key point to pass your driving test. So thank you so much for watching, my dear friend, for watching this video. If you really get some value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will meet you very soon with next video. Bye for now.